Greetings! I'm Linda Parker, Deputy Superintendent in Eagle Mountain Saginaw ISD. And I'm so excited because we are opening our doors to in-person learning on September 8th. At this time, our teachers, our principals, our buildings will be open to in-person learning while we're also working with students in the remote setting as they work at home. During this past 2 weeks, we have been able to prepare for the opening of our schools so that we ensure that when your children arrive, they are arriving to a safe, secure environment where they can blossom as learners, build relationships, and thrive in this setting. We've finalized our plans for opening the doors, including pickups and drop-offs, and how we're going to maneuver between periods, at the lunch periods, as well as in the classrooms. One of the most exciting things, for every classroom, we have a safety tote. And within that safety tote, we have what we call the magic spray. This is called Pure, and it's a sanitizing spray that once sprayed dries in about 1 minute, and then it coats that hard surface for up to 24 hours. And incredible, that's why we call it the magic spray, because it keeps it safe for our hands at whatever age they are. And it's even safe enough, if I put a baby pacifier, it would be fine. So incredible to have this little safety tote that has hand sanitizing, other cleaning agents, wipes, and of course, extra masks for children if they need an extra mask, if theirs becomes soiled or lost, as well as gloves and cleaning wipes. Communication is key during this very different time in our educational setting. So I ask you, if you have concerns or you have questions or you just need to know something more, please reach out to your teachers or your principals or both. They are the experts at leading your campus. Thank you for being a part of our EMS ISD family and together fostering a culture of excellence.